Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Apache Cassandra 4.1 from its source code in Windows 10 operating system using Apache Ant 1.10 and JDK 11. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Apache Cassandra 4.1.0 source code zip file from GitHub website. So I have shared the download link in the description of the video. So I am going to extract this Apache Cassandra 4.1 source code zip file. Okay, so this is the data structure of Apache Cassandra. So it contains build.xml. So build.xml is a basic building block. You can see a lot of Ant tasks and targets will be there in build.xml. You can go through the build.xml when you are free. So I have already installed Ant 1.10 and also I have pointed Ant 1.10 bin directory to the Windows path variable. Also I am installed JDK 11 already and I am pointing Java 11 bin directory also to the Windows path variable. So that Ant commands and Java 11 commands will be available in Windows command line. So now let us start to build Apache Cassandra 4.1.0. So before that I am renaming the directory for my convenience. Let me open this in Windows command prompt. Okay, so now type this command and -d use.jdk11 equal to true space -drat.skip equal to true. So drat.skip equal to true means you can skip the auditing tool. So it will skip the auditing process. So you can see that Apache Cassandra 4.1.0 build is successful now. So you can navigate the directory for the built jar files. So you can see that Apache Cassandra jar files are being built. So under build directory, you can see all the library and jar files which is needed by Apache Cassandra. So we have successfully built Apache Cassandra 4.1.0 in Windows 10 operating system using Ant 1.10. Make sure that you have internet connection in order to download the jar files and artifacts to compile the Cassandra source code.